Hey guys, welcome to WrapPixel. In this tutorial, you will get a comprehensive guide on the installation and customization of the admin template that you have recently downloaded onto your local system. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll be using one of the templates from WrapPixel. The process remains applicable to all the other templates as well. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started with the tutorial.
Spike admin dashboard, which is built on Vue 3, which is a framework of Vue. It's a built-in dashboard with 2D variations and tables and charts, etc. So let's see how you can customize and manipulate it. So when you download and extract the zip file, you will get these three main folders: the documentation, the Figma file, and the package, which has all the main folders and the project. So inside the Figma file, you will get the Figma link. So let's go to documents, and when you will open the index file, you will get the main documentation like this, right? In order to manipulate this project, you have to have the knowledge of Axios, CSS, HTML, and Vue. So this is the package structure. This is the main structure of package. You can check it. So let's go ahead and check the quick start. So before starting the project, make sure that your local system has NodeJs 14 version. I mean, it should be above 14 or 14, and the NPM JS 6 plus. So you can check it, check the versions on your local system by going to the command prompt and by typing node space v stands for version. As you can see, my local system has version 21.1. And to check the npm version, you have to write npm space hyphen v. So my system has 10.2, and if you're getting any error while checking the versions, what you can do, you can go to the official website of npm and node, and from here you can download it. You can download the npm version from here. Let me go to the node website. So this is the node one, and it's recommended for the most users, so you can go for this package one, but since it 20.11 is the most stable one, you can go with this one, right? Once you download the node package manager and node.js environment, you can go ahead and you can go to the main file inside the package. This one is for the starter kit. If you want to use it, you can, but this main file has all the folders of the main project. So what you have to do, you just have to go to the code editor and open the files. So I'm using VS Code. You just have to, one is for view packages main. You just have to select the main folder. Once you get all the files, open the terminal and install the node modules. Since Vue is also a framework of JavaScript, so you have to install node package manager by typing npm I stands for install. In order to run the project, you have to write npm run dev, and it will start on localhost 1573. Just press Ctrl and click on this button, and it will open a new tab in your default web browser. A default web browser is Chrome, so it is opening on the Chrome itself. It will take, I think, few minutes, a few seconds, depending on the system that you on your localhost 5173. You will get this landing page, right? And this has all the options that you get: the support link, the documentation. It's basically a shortcut for to get on the apps that those apps are built in. So when you go to the demos, you will get these preview links. If you click on these preview links, you will get the main project, right? So this is our main project, main dashboard. But when you'll see it, it's already on netlify.app. So what you have to do is have to close it, and you have to click on login. So it will open on localhost 5173. So when you will make changes in the component, then you will able to see on the on that project when you go to the login one. So let's take a look at the landing page. So these are the demos, different demos, the built-in applications on this project. So it has 6 theme colors, and here are all the libraries which are already installed in this project. Some comments from our customers, and this is the ticket if you want to submit a ticket if you're not able to get anything. And you can also join the Discord group by clicking on this button, right? So let's click on the login one, right? So it has built-in authorization. It is using JWT token system, and the username and password is already default. So what you just have to click on sign in. Right. So this is the main project. It's, as you can see, it's on localhost 5173. This is the dashboard 1. When you click on dashboard 2, you will get a different dashboard UI. On the left side is the main menu, right? On the right side we have a theme, and we have many options. We'll discover it, and we will see how you can change things using the menu, and the how you can add more pages on the menu side. So we have already seen it, npm run dev to start the project. Npm run build is used when you have to build the project, when your application is ready to be deployed on the server. So we are not using it right now because we are not deploying it on the server yet. Okay. So let's go ahead and check the project configuration. First, you can go and check the color. So this is the root where you have to make changes. It says when you have to change the color, you have to make changes in 2 files. So let's see how you can change the theme colors. So it has 2 themes, the light theme, this one is the light theme, and you will scroll down this menu. This as you can see, this one has a dark theme also. So when I click on it, the theme changes to the dark. So it's built in 6 colors. As you can see, the theme color it's getting changed, right? So if you want to change the theme color, how you can do it? Let's go back to the documentation. Let's open the main file. Let's see, it says SRC theme, light theme. So this is the folder, theme and light theme. So let's, as you can see, this one is the blue theme, aqua theme, purple, green, and 2 more. So I'm making changes to the blue theme. It's a default one. I'm just copying it and commenting it down, and I'm changing it to black. Let's see the application getting rendered once you save it. So as you can see, the theme has been changed to black. The primary color has been changed to black. Let's undo it and let's see. Let's refresh the page once. see the color is back to the primary one. So this is how you can change the colors of different themes. Let's go to dark theme and let's change the dark theme color to, let's first see how the dark theme looks. Let's check the dark theme color. So right, this is how the dark blue color theme looks. Let's change the color to black, the primary blue color to black, to see if it's working or not. The application is getting rendered when you save it, so it goes back to the default settings. Right, as you can see, this blue, which was the main theme color, the primary one, has changed to black. Right, this is how you can play with the colors, you can manipulate it. Let's go back to the documentation. It has only 2 files, you just have to make changes in the 2 files accordingly. Inside the typography, if you want to change it, it's using Jakarta font. You just have to go to the main index file, which is outside the src folder. No, it's index file. You just have to change the link which you will get from the Google font. You change the link, you paste it here and remove this one, and then what you have to do, you just have to go to src, inside src and scss folder, and then I guess it's variables. You just have to mention that body font family here, just like this. You just whatever you are using, the font family name, you just have to paste here. This is how you can change the font family. For icons, this project is using tabular icons. It's already installed, so you don't have to install it again. You just have to go to the link. If you want to use any different icon, you can go here and search for the icon name, and you can paste the icon name here like icon mail, and then you can use like this, where you have to just describe the size of the icon. So it's built in. You just have to go to the file and paste the name of the icon. That's it. Let's go ahead and check how you can customize the default theme. So this is the theme on the right side of the project. It has many features, like you can see its sidebar layout is by default it's vertical, but you can go and check the horizontal one. So the main menu of the left side will go horizontally on the top side of the project, like this. So by default it's vertical. Let's see how you can change the default settings. So the default settings, there is only one file inside src. It's config.ts. TS stands for TypeScript. The project is also using TypeScript. There's no need to change anything in the configuration props. It's for the TypeScript part. So this one is the main file, config, right? Let's go. So this is the sidebar layout is by default vertical. If you want to change it to horizontal, then you have to make changes in the set horizontal layout. It's by default it's true. You just have to change, it's false. I mean it's false, but you just have to change it to true. It's a boolean value, and once you refresh it, see, now the default value has changed to the horizontal. Earlier it was vertical. For theme direction, which is basically the settings part. If I'll click on the right side, it will shift to the right side of the screen. If you want to change it to the right side, then you have to go to this part, set RTL layout, and make it true. And this is how you can manipulate the default settings of the project. Let's go back to the RTL. It's more comfortable to have a look on the project, right? If you want to change the default light theme to the dark blue theme, then you can go ahead and change this theme to dark blue theme. Let's go and refresh the page. See, now the default has been changed to the dark blue theme, right? So this is how you can change the color theme. And horizontal layout, I've already told you. Right to left layout. Full width, you can also change the full width layout, the box layout, mini sidebar, if you want cards to be with shadow or without shadow, or card with only with border. So these all options are available here. You just have to make true or false accordingly, right? So yeah, these are the default settings. Let's see and refresh the page. See, now let's see how you can add new pages for your project. You have to make changes in these two files. First one is to add a new route, and then you have to add that page to the sidebar. So first let's add a page to the sidebar. So you just have to go to this one inside SRC layouts, full vertical sidebar, and you just have to add new file to the sidebar item.ts. Again, it's a TypeScript file. So I'm already on that file. This is what I have written. So my new page is now dashboard test. I have the icon is same. You can change the icon later. The background color is success, and the route is /dashboard test, which is going to be my new page, right? Once I add and save it, you can see it will be added in the sidebar main menu, the dashboard test. So now you have to go to the first file, to the main route file. It's inside the SRC router and main routes. This is the one. So here I've written this code. The name of the page, it's the dashboard test, then the path, and then the main component. So here inside the dashboard I have added one more, dashboard test.view. This is my new page, and I have written inside the h2 tag the dashboard test, and I have tell it where it's actually, where is the main page in this route. So let's see if it's working or not. I'm going to dashboard test, like, see. So this is how you can add new pages accordingly. I'm going to remove it. And from sidebar to it will throw an error because now there is no dashboard test page. So we have dashboard 1. Right. So this is how you can add new pages This project is also a multilingual, which is a multi-language project, and to add new languages you just have to add content like this. You have to make new JSON files. If you'll go back to the project and click on France, so as you can see on the left side, the menu has been changed to the French language. It's Arabic, Chinese, and we have English. So what you have to do, if you want to change the language, you have to convert that sentence into the language and then paste it into the JSON file, and then you can use it in your project. Let me show you where are the files. It's inside the src and utils, inside utils and locals. So these are the files. This is for Arabic, this is for English, this is for French, I think. Yes. So here you can add new files, and when you add new files here, the new JSON file, then you have to go to this path, and there you can import these files. It's inside the src and layout. Full vertical header and then language. This is the file. Here you can import a new file if you want to import a new language. Right. Now let's go to the API calls. So this project is using Axios, which is basically a NPM package, which is mainly used to get data from API and to send data from API without writing much code. It's a built-in package. It's very good if you are working on JavaScript frameworks. So it has a built-in Axios package. So when you connect your this dashboard to your backend, you can use Axios directly. So for authentication, it is using JWT method, which is nothing but JSON Web Token. Right. For the in the beginning, when I showed you, when you open the project, authentication, and it's basically done by JWT. So this is the one. This is the file. If you want to use it, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can manipulate it by going to this file. So this is how you can change and manipulate data in this project. But still, if you have any query, you can go to the introduction part where we have this link, wrappixel.com/support, and you can raise your ticket, and your ticket will be resolved as soon as possible.